Yes, good morning everybody. It's a nice and windy day, but a very good day. I hope Table Mountain the next few days is not gonna be very good to go to Table Mountain. So other people also ask, why do you go so early? I say, well, there's always a reason. Okay, and it's a guide reason, so that's why I'm the guide. And I love it. And the people adjust and they love it. Look at this beautiful day here in Gordons Bay. Look how beautiful it is over the mountains. Just amazing. Gordons Bay and all the way to the Atlantic Ocean there. False Bay. That's freaking awesome today. So that's gonna see all the way here. That's beautiful there. Yeah, it's quick, but it's worth it. So all of you out there, be safe and enjoy each and every day like it's your last day. Okay, enjoy.